Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. So today I'll be recording the 2020 AMC 8 solutions, which is from problem 15 to problem 25. So I'll open this tab because I will take screenshot of the problems every time when I finish a set of problem. So let's get started. So first problem we have, suppose 15% of x equals 20% of y. What percentage of x is y? So this will do an equation which gives us 0.15 x is equal to 0.20 y. So this we can list this as 3 over 20 x is equal to 1 over 5 y. So to find what percentage of x is y, so we want to take x based on y. So I want to take y based on x. So therefore, this will result in y is equal to 15 over 20x. Because you just multiply by 5 to here. So this, when we cancel out, this gives us 3 over 4, which is equivalent to 75%. Problem 16. Each of the point A, B, C, D, E, F in the figure below represents a different digit from 1 to 6. Each of the 5 lines shown passes through some of these points. The digits along each line are added to produce 5 sums, 1 for each one. The total of the 5 sum is 47. What's the digit of k? So when we look at this picture, then we can see that every point were intersected by only 2 lines. So we can see that all the other points were only intersected by 2 lines except B, which gives us 3 lines. Right? So each of the 5 lines passes through some of these points. The digits along each line are added to produce 5 sums, 1 of each one. The total of 5 sums is 47. Well, so for this one, we can let these be A, B, C, or just call it A, B, C, D, E, F then. Then we have 2 times A plus C plus D plus E plus F, then plus B, 3B, we do 47. So we can clearly see that when we take mod, then this must be also 1 mod 2. And then we can see that we have 1 plus 2 plus 3. So if this is 5, then we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6, and then we have B is 5, giving us answer choice E. Now we have the next problem. How many factors of 2020 has more than 3 factors? So we can see 2020, when we prime factorize it, we know it's divisible by 1 and divisible by 4, and divisible by 5, giving us 2 squared times 5 times 101. So we want it to be more than 3 factors. Then we'll just take 12 minus the number of factors with less than or equal to 3 factors, or equal to 3 factors. You can see that 1 does work. 1 does work for this. 2 also does work for this. And 4 we have 2 square, which 4 also works for this. And then for the rest, we also have 5 5 works as well. And then 101 works as well. And the others, then they have a times b, which they're both prime, then we have 4 factors, so this will not work. So therefore, we'll have 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, giving us answer choice B. So let's proceed to the next problem. I'm going to take a screenshot. So let's proceed with problem 18. So problem 18, we have rectangle ABCD is inscribed in a semicircle with diameter FE as shown in the figure. Let DA is equal to 16 and let FD and AE equals 9. What's the area of ABCD? So first, there's a really fast solution to look at. So let's draw a point called G, and G is a midpoint of AD. So AG is equal to DG in this case. Then we're going to have this is equal to 8 and this is equal to 8. Well, clearly C and B are on the circle. Therefore, we can construct a line from C to G. So we have this is equal to 16. No, this is not a square, so we don't have this equal to 16. So we have this is equal to 8. We want to find the radius. So we have radius of, let's just call this circle G, and G is clearly the center of this circle, of this half, of the radius of this, of the diameter of this semicircle. So R of G is just equal to 9 plus 16 over 2, giving us 17. So we have the radius is 17. So basically we can just find CD right away. So CD square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square equals to 17 plus 18. No, 17 plus 8 times 17 minus 8. So that 25 times 9. Since they're both square, then this, so we take the square root just give us 15. So we know that CD is equal to 15. Then the area of ABCD just simply equals to 16 times 15, give us 240. Our answer choice A. So let's proceed to problem 19, which a number is called flippy if its digits alternate between two distinct digits. For example, 2020 and 37,373 are flippy, but these are not flippy. So flippy numbers, 5 digit can be expressed as this. So we wanted to be divisible by 15, then we can use Chinese derivative theorem, which gives us it must be divisible by 3 and 5. So we want to make it to divisible by 3 and 5, then we want to make the sum of digits equal to a multiple of 3, and we also want to have the end digit be equal to either 5 or 0. But you cannot have leading digit equal to 0, therefore we must have the number in the form of 5, 5, 5. Right, so I want to make this number in the form of 5 something 5 something 5. So therefore, so if we let this be equal to b, then we have 2b must be divisible by 3, which b must be divisible by 3 because 2 is not divisible by 3. So b can be equal to 3k for k is an integer, which k can be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, because 4 will give us 12, which is not a single digit anymore. So this gives us basically 4 of them. So let me delete everything again. So now we'll soon go into our final 5 problems. So for this problem, we have a scientist walking through a forest recorded as integers the height of 5 trees standing below. So each of the tree was either twice as tall or half as tall as one to his right. Unfortunately, some of her data was lost when rain fell on her notebook. Her notes are shown below. So we want to find the average. So I want to find so I want to know that this is something 0.2, then we can see that this must be divisible by 11. So the average must be divisible by 11, which therefore this only gives us either B or D left as our answer choices. So it cannot have 0.5 obviously, so we're going to give 22 over here. And then we're going to see that if it goes too far up, then average is going to be exceeded, not these numbers. So we can have 44 and 22. And this, after we sum these up, this will give us 11 times 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 over 5. So this will give us 6 plus 8 plus. So this will give us 11. So this will be 11 squared over 5. And this gives us 24.2 as our final answer. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll proceed with the final 5 video solutions.